Hi guys, I'm Rasmus. I'm here with Piotr and Reneé. Today we're doing the Scandinavian look. It's gonna be a lot of curly texture on top and nicely cleaned up on the sides. Are you guys up for it?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, tell me today we will do the Scandinavian look. Use a lot of the texture up here, and only maybe take 1 centimeter off the top, and a nice fade, little fade on the side, and then we'll cut it together and still keep the fluffiness up here.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, cool.
You got me loose. My heart was troubled, now I'm fine. Ooh, sky is blue, the snow is coming from the streets. Oh, soon we'll be blessed with summertime. Do you hear the
Røvhammerne god til det. Det ved jeg.
Det skal du altså, det skal du. Det er bare nok at komme sygt meget.
Og hvor det hele er koldt.
Imagination's got me hard. Sky is blue, the doubt is gone up from my mind. Maybe soon I'll have your body up on mine. Do you hear the blackbird?
Hvor fedt. Okay, so now we come to the styling. And how do you normally style your hair?
Usually I use some strong wax. I like it a little bit curly and messy on the top. So when it's stiffens up, it holds for a couple of hours.
Good.
That's lovely.
Perfect. I will do the same, but I will use a sidekick, and then I will use wax with some oil in it. It will hold for a day or two. So,
Perfect.
Cool. Sidekick.
Det var godt.
Ja, det var lækkert. Produkter. flatten out. Stronghold. Det var det.
Imagination's got me hard. Sky is blue, the doubt is gone up from my mind. Maybe soon I'll have your body up on.
Ud og sving de krøller her på dance floor.
Ja, det kan ikke gå helt galt, det kan jeg godt se.
Okay, Piotr, how do you like your new hairstyle?
I love it. It's curly and messy at the top, just like I wanted, so I'm fully satisfied. Thank you, guys.
I really like the curly texture. Reneé, you did an amazing job. And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about this hairstyle episode. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you next time.